Leisure Travel Vans. We're in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Okanagan Lake in behind me, and I'm very excited today because we have a brand new floor plan, the next generation of our Murphy bed. This is seriously exciting, the brand new 2023 Murphy Bed Lounge. Back almost 14 years ago, we brought out the world famous Murphy bed in a Unity model. Now we have totally redesigned it. It's the next generation of Murphy bed, even easier to put up and down and even more comfortable. Hard to believe that we could have improved on that, but we've made it better and better. And we're gonna build it on both the Unity model and on the Wonder model. It has a residential 3-piece bathroom, separate shower, separate sink, separate toilet, not a wet bath where you have to sit on the toilet to shower, not happening. We have a huge kitchen area, and if you need storage, we not only have a great exterior storage, we have a lot of interior storage, a legless awning if you love to recline. Both floor plans have built-in leisure lounge chairs that are super comfortable. Plus, we have a 40-inch smart TV, and you can option a second outside TV. Is that not unbelievable? It's believable because I got them right behind me. I can't wait to show you these two motorhomes. They're absolutely incredible. And the big news, our very first slide out on a Wonder, you're gonna absolutely love this floor plan. During the design process over the last year, we actually had our staff at Leisure Travel Vans working on it and using it at a local campground. And we've been gathering feedback so that we could improve it and make it as perfect as possible, and I think we've succeeded. I'm so excited to show you the very first Wonder with a slide out. The slide out is fully in, look, lots of room to walk front to back. When you want some space, press the button and out it goes. Now look at how much space we have, right? We're small, but we're expandable. Have a look at how beautiful all the LED lighting is. You know, nice diffused, soft lighting. This is the first Wonder motorhome that has ducted air conditioning throughout the entire motorhome. Built-in LED lights. I'm just gonna give you some nice, soft, diffused lighting throughout the entire motorhome. Now this is a prototype, so we may do some changes when we go into production on things, and you can totally recline even better. Headrest goes back too. Look at this. Is this not the best? Both chairs have USB charging ports, and both seats have wireless charging as well. And now it's time to go to bed. Look how simple this is gonna be to make in a bed. Only 2 cushions have to be moved out of the way. We're just gonna move these 2 cushions over to here, and look at this. These slide down. Very simple, headrests stay on and everything. And then we have 2 locks on both sides. So you'll release the lock here and here, and then we're gonna bring this down like this. Look at this. Is this not incredible? This comes out, release our mattress, and look at that. 20 seconds flat, nice big bed, and it's a walk around island bed. Hello, gotta go to the bathroom? No problem. Want to go back to bed? No problem. Want to get a drink? No problem. It's an island bed. That is so fantastic. And look at the size of it. Oh, and it's comfortable. Foam mattress, and you still have easy access to your USB ports on this side and USB ports on this side. If you want to read in bed, look at this. Headrest, built-in. I absolutely love it. Built-in reading lights. Nighttime shade for sleeping at night. And look, the brand new landscape window on the driver's side, awning style window. So you've got lots of natural light and lots of air ventilation throughout the entire motorhome. Want to watch TV in bed? Once again, look at this, how simple it is. Boom, TV up, back into bed I go. Sit back, kick back, and relax. This is comfortable. In the event that you're at a rest stop or a Walmart and you want to just pull over and have some sleep and you can't put your slide out, you can have the Murphy bed down with the slide out in. It's very cool. So I can have a little nap, roadside nap, have a little sleep, and I can have my slide out in. I'm not bothering anybody. On this proto model, we have the Truma Vario Heat propane furnace. It's very efficient using propane, and it's very quiet. Our prototype model has the Truma Aventa air conditioner, which has 3 different speed levels. It has a dehumidifying mode and a night mode, energy efficient and very quiet. Very excited to try it out on this model. We have 3 new interior wood colors, 3 new leather colors, 2 Corian colors, plus we have 8 different exterior colors. You're gonna wanna drive one of these. You're gonna wanna go RVing all over North America. So you can run your computer right now, go to Leisure Travel Vans, build and price, and you can build and price one of these motorhomes with all the colors you want, the options you want, and you can build either the Unity or the Wonder motorhome exactly the way you want. Make sure you watch the video on the Unity MBL and on the brand new Wonder MBL with the slide out. You're gonna absolutely love these 2 motorhomes. Our design team did a fabulous job. Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, I'm going paddle boarding. Let's do it.